5/22, 2026. Putting my wheel studs in. And what I do is I got some anti-seize grease here. I'm gonna grease them up a little bit. Make sure the threads are slippery. You can do them all 5 and just do them one, you know. You can just do them 1, 2 at a time. I'm just going to do 2 of them here real quick. Kind of give some pointers. Try to stay out of the way so you can see. Try to talk loud enough so you can hear. Now there's a 3 things here you're looking for. One is squirting all that grease out from underneath it there. When you push them in there all the way, that grease is going to come out of there. 2, listen to the way it rings when dings. When it slows down and stops, your gun will start dinging. And when you land them and you use your 4-pounder, whatever you got, it will ding different. That makes sure you get them all the way down in there, all the way. And that's the way I do them. It's not the easiest way, but it's probably not the hardest. If I had a press, I'd just press them in. God bless in the 405.